How do we present the equation of a line in vector? If we have a line, the line passes through point A having coordinates of 1, -2, and 5, and the direction vector of the line is, let's say I call it B, which is 4, 5, and -6. So the most common vector equation of a line can be represented by column vector x, y, z, which is the representation of any point on a line in general, equals to the fixed point 1, -2, 5 plus lambda followed by 4, 5, and -6, which is the vector equation of the line. For example, when lambda is 0, so the point on the line is actually point A, 1, -2, and 5. So different point on the line has different value of lambda. The next format of vector equation of a line is what we call parametric equation. In the parametric equation, the coordinate of x is an equation. The coordinates of y is another equation in terms of lambda, and the coordinates of z is another equation in terms of lambda. So they will be written separately in the form of x, y, z. For example, the same equation of the line can be represented in parametric form, which is x equals to 1 plus 4 lambda, which is representing the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is -2 plus 5 lambda, and z coordinate is 5 minus 6 lambda, and this is called the parametric equations. So far we have seen parametric equations of a line and also the vector equation of a line. And the last form is what we call the Cartesian equation of a line. So in Cartesian equation of a line, we used to make lambda the subject of the formula for each coordinate x, y, and z. So for example, if I have x equals to 1 plus 4 lambda, if I want to make lambda the subject of the formula, it would be x minus 1 over 4, which is lambda. Similarly, for y equals to -2 plus 5 lambda, if we want to make lambda the subject of the formula, it would be y plus 2 over 5. And for z coordinate, z equals to 5 minus 6 lambda. So lambda as the subject of the formula, so z minus 5 over -6, which is lambda. Or we can rewrite this as 5 minus z over 6, which is lambda, where we try to multiply the top by -1, and similarly try to multiply the denominator by -1, that we will reach 5 minus z over 6. And because they're all lambda the subject of the formula, that's why we can put x minus 1 over 4, which is equals to lambda, must equals to y plus 2 over 5, which is also lambda, and must also equals to 5 minus z over 6. And this is so-called the Cartesian equation of a line. So hopefully this explanation is helpful to you. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to share with your friends who struggle with this. Thank you so much, and see you again in the next video.